It is rainy out there. But we cozy, huh, Diesel? He loves that. It's an antler, a deer antler. I love this because it's really hard and it cleans his gums, and it takes him forever to chew it because it's so hard. Diesel dog! Diesel dog! Hi! I hope you can hear the rain. I just wanted to show you my very sad countertop. I mean, it's definitely had a lot of love over the last 3 years I've been in my van. But I'm going to switch things around here, freshen things up. I would like to put my stove top over here. My sink is under here, which I never use. I've never actually used the sink in the 3 years I've been here. I've used it for my art storage. But as you can tell, this is where I've been painting. I'm going to put the stove on the side because it's right over the door. It'll be easier for me to open the doors when I'm cooking, and for ventilation, less smells in the van. And at least till summertime. Look at the rain out there. Let's see. It is wet out there. It's so nice being in the van with the rain because it's so loud, the raindrops on my roof. Anyway, I'm going to switch things around, but in doing so, I'm going to just lightly sand this dog, give it a fresh coat of paint, also make some secured little hinges under here for my stove so it doesn't move while I'm driving, just for safety. But so yeah, that's what I'm planning on doing right now, and I will record everything so you can see what I'm doing. Making sure everything is going to fit. I don't know if this is going to help, but it won't hurt. Mm. I have my peppermint oil in my diffuser, and this will also help with the smell. I think it's not a strong odor in here, but just to keep it fresh. I am going to experiment a little bit, of course. I'm going to take some of this primer that I used, and I am going to mix my own color. Okay. To use my Bombay ink. Even if it just tints the primer, I'll be happy. Let's see what I can use to stir this. Ooh, that is rich. Oh, I like it. Yeah, I like it. Maybe even a little darker. I'm going to use this brush. I think that'll work. Ta-da! Everything is dry and the stove is situated. I like the new color, guys. I like it just brightens things up a little bit, you know? And next week I will show you how I am going to secure my stove while I drive. So stay tuned for that one. This tree is growing on both sides of the fence. Look at that. I've never seen anything like it. Look at the designs on it's like it's the same shape as the links of the fence. It's like it's pushed its way through. What do you think about that, Beetle? What do you think about that? This patch of flowers. Anyone know what this is? So pretty. Just growing. This is one patch right here.